Hello, today on this video we're going to do create alignments in Civil 3D. And so the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have this menu pull down, because honestly, I think it's easier for a lot of these commands up here. And if you don't have this, go down to the menu at the command line and type in menu bar, and yours probably says 0. So watch, when I hit this, the pull down disappears. So you want to keep that on. Um, a lot of these things I use up here just seem to be easier for the commands. Anyway, so for alignments, the first thing you want to make sure that your polyline is already created when you're connecting the dots for the pipeline or whatever type of alignment it is. So I've got my line, and then you also, when you create it, select the end that is the beginning of the line. And as long as you drew it from this direction going that way, it should show the right direction. So you go up here to alignments, create alignment by polyline, click the polyline, right click, enter, and hold on just a second. And so after you have clicked, selected the polyline, now you'll have three options here, the things you're going to need to fill out. This top one, just put the name of the job. And this isn't so important until like you had multiple alignments in it. And so down here, you want to have, you got the name, the style, and then you got the label set. And you just want to keep this stuff on Transglobal, TGS. For my stuff, when the template, just use these two. And then hit OK. And like that, your alignment is created. Now there's always going to be some sort of adjustments you need to change. Like, I don't need these, so I can delete them. And delete. I don't need the 50 stations, which you can set all this up to come in right from the beginning if you wanted to. And then you want to click the label, right click, and edit alignment labels. And then right here where it says perp, you'll change this to label, OK. And then hit apply, and you see how the station's now changed to be horizontal instead of perpendicular. And that is it for creating the alignment. There's a few things to notice. Scale, remember everything is annotated, so your scale over here, this scale, always needs to be set to what your scale is when you're ready to plot. So watch what happens when I change it to 20. See, it gets really small. But now I'm thinking about this. When you get to your viewport, it won't matter. It'll automatically, as long as your viewport's set to the right scale, this stuff will go to the right scale as well. And that is it for an alignment, and I will continue on a new sheet on the next video. Thanks.